guys, this is Mary from elego Software Solutions in Berlin, Germany, and I'm going to show you today how to deal with short-term rentals in Odoo using the Community Edition in version 12 and our new rental application. Before creating a new rental order, we have to configure our product. This can be done in the menu Products. You can see here that I've already created 7 rentable products, and as an example, I will show you the details here for this wheel loader. I've activated the checkboxes for can be rent out and for product instance. Product instance means that this product is very unique in its current condition and state, and it's linked to a serial number. This also means that if we have a similar product from the same manufacturer and of the same type, we have to create another product with its own serial number. In order to rent out the storable product instance, we have to create related rental services, and this can be done in the page rental price. You can see here that we can do that on a monthly basis, daily basis and hourly basis. And as soon as we activate the checkbox here and save the product form, Odoo will create in the background a related rental service. And then we can just enter a price, and we can also use Odoo price lists for bulk prices. Okay, then we can create our first rental quotation. Therefore, we go to the menu Customers and Rental Quotations. We create a new one and we choose a customer. Then we can also change the invoice address or the delivery address. And you can also see here that we are using order types to distinguish between ordinary sale orders and these rental orders. And this type also defines how to name this order. Okay. So now we can add a new order line by choosing a product, and I'm using the wheel loader from before. And the first thing we have to decide if this is a short-term or a long-term rental. For the short-term rental, we can use the rental time unit days or hours, and for a long-term rental, we can use the unit month. It depends on what we just configured in our product. So a short-term rental is invoiced directly from the order and usually just once. And the long-term rentals can be invoiced periodically with the help of Odoo contracts. So for this video, I would choose a short-term rental and I'm using the unit days. Then I will choose a start date, 1st of November until the last of December. And we see that we're renting out this product for 61 days. For the printout, we can also choose a product description here, and then we can save and close. And you can see here that this product is not the same as you can see in the form view. So this is the rental service, and here you can see the stockable product, so don't be confused by that. And in some countries, like in Germany, you can also define some so-called off days, which are days on which the customer does not have to pay the price, but still has the product in his possession. So because it is required by law that he cannot work on Saturdays and Sundays or something like that. So you can scroll down here and add some off days. For example, you can choose here weekend, and Odoo will calculate all the Saturdays and Sundays in this time period. And then when you scroll up, you can see here the 61 days is the total time. Then you have 70 off days, and the customer just has to pay for 44 days. So now we're saving again, and we see here that the ordered quantity is not 61 days, but it's 44 days. And now we can just save this, and we will have a look at the timeline view. So we're going here to rental and overview, and in the line of my wheel loader here, we can see that we just created a new quotation, which is marked in this brown-orange color. Then we can go back to our quotation, customers, rental quotations, and this is the last one, and we can just confirm it. And then we go back to the timeline view again, and we see that it switches the color. So it's not brown anymore, it's now blue, because it's not a quotation anymore, but an order. And we go back to rental orders now. And you can see here that we already have 2 deliveries. we have one outgoing and one incoming delivery, because we want to transfer this product to our customer, and after the rental we want to have it back. So we have two deliveries. And you can see here that we can already create an invoice. So that's it. So that is a short-term rental in Odoo using this new rental application.